that was the gas safety valve that we were using before in our replacement burners. This is the economy replacement burner for gas steam table. Now we are updating our gas safety valve. The gas safety valve. Now this is the brand new gas safety valve that you're gonna see in the economy replacement burner. We used to use that one. That one was the previous gas safety valve, but unfortunately we're no longer working with that. We found out this little guy right here that works much better, and it's the same. Okay, so if you have any question, please contact us or email us. Okay, have a great day. That is no longer available. Unfortunately, it's no longer available. But if you have any question, don't decide to contact at Imperium Restaurant Equipment LLC, located in Brooklyn, New York. Have a great day. Thank you very much for watching and subscribe.